Closed-loop CPU liquid coolers are often the most efficient way to manage thermals and noise in your PC. During shipping and handling, air bubbles can get trapped in a cooler, causing some pump noise which should naturally disappear over time. In this video, we put together some helpful methods to move the process along more quickly. It's normal to have a small amount of air in a closed-loop CPU liquid cooler since they are rated for storage below freezing. The air inside of a liquid cooler can shift around during shipping and can become trapped, resulting in a bit of noise that should subside on its own after about 15 to 30 minutes once you power it on your system. To keep this noise to a minimum, try to make sure that your liquid cooler's pump is not the highest part of the loop during installation. If your liquid cooler's radiator is installed in the top of your case, this shouldn't be an issue. However, if your liquid cooler's radiator is either in the front or rear fan mounts of your case, try to keep the tubing runs low. This will ensure that air bubbles collect in the radiator rather than being trapped in the pump and causing noise. If you still experience noise from trapped air bubbles, you can gently tilt your system forward and backward to help work the bubbles through your liquid cooler. If your system is on the bigger side, try powering on your liquid cooler outside of your system by jump-starting a power supply with only the cooler connected. Hold the cooler so that the radiator and tubing are above the pump in order to force air through to the radiator. And don't forget, if your CORSAIR liquid cooler features CORSAIR IQ integration, you can set the pump performance profile, which can also help manage noise. And that's it. For more information about CORSAIR CPU liquid coolers, check us out at corsair.com. Thanks for watching.